everyone, today I thought I'd show you something a little bit different, and on my last tutorial I showed you how to make these layered flute bows, which are these ones, and this is one that I made in the tutorial. Thought I'd show you something a little bit different because I showed 3 different versions of the bow. So obviously this is the top bow, the middle layer, and you've also got the base pinwheel. And obviously layering those two together you've got a different bow. Add in the pinwheel base, you've got a different bow. So I took that idea and I made this one, but this is not all glued. This is all connected together. With clips slotted together by the middles. So I've just made this really simple snap clip. So this is just literally just a padded star felty on a alligator clip like this, and that's just a matter of gluing that onto the back of the and then obviously I've got my flute bow, my mirrored flute bow, a chair bow, and then I've made the half pinwheel base as well. And if you wanted to, you could do these in sort of coordinating colours, and the only difference when you're making your bow up is instead of wrapping your centre super tight like you normally would, put your clip on as normal, you just do a slightly looser centre, so you don't wrap it quite as tight, so you've got somewhere for the other clips to slot through. And like I said, I think it'd be a really cute like set idea. So you could sell them all individually, so they could be all worn individually, and then you can show them how they can be layered in different ways. So just wrap as normal, and then the second one, instead of doing it tight, you just do it a little tiny bit looser. Not too much, because you don't want it to like pop open or like pull apart or anything like that, but just a little bit looser. Heat seal as normal, and glue. So like I said, you see you've got like a little bit of a lift, and then like I said, you can use that. You could put this with looks cute like that. Then you can add your star on top, and there's one. So you've got your clip to wear separately, so that's one item. And you can do as many different layers as you want. You can literally show you how to make it in all different ways. So on this one, you've got 5 to start with, all completely separate. And then this would be 6. 7 with this on top. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Well, actually 13 with that on top. 14. 15. 16. So you've got like 20 different ways to make a bow up just by slotting them through. What I do tend to do is I put, if the clip's that way or that way, when I say to slot it the opposite direction, so that one's, and then do that one from the left, and what it will do is it will just balance the bow as you're making it up. How cute is that for an idea for like so many different ways? With just 5 things you can make like 15 to 20 different looks depending on like how people like to put them together. Like I said, I personally wouldn't put this one on the chair bow, but other people will, because it's personal tastes and things like that. So someone else will think that's super cute. You can do them individually with just the clip. So that's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is literally 20 plus different options that you can play around with just those original 5 bows. And like I said, it's just a really cute idea. Like I said, a really simple set, and like I said, it's a way to only have a few few bows in a box and get loads and loads of like really cute mix and match looks. And like I said, you could literally do, like from Jo, I get the perfectly, from Lovely Crafts, I get like the perfectly pink or the perfectly purple. So there's 5 different like coordinating purples or pinks, and you could literally make each one in one of those pink colours, and they'd all match together and look really, really cute. And like I said, you know, they're going to sort of go together, and you could do a set like that, and like I said, it'd look really pretty, just building upon building and building. So thanks for watching, hopefully you like the idea. Bye!